Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a watermark transparent using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now select edit option and select your watermark option and select add watermark. Now click on this text watermark box and type your watermark name here and see this. And this is proportion of this page watermark, and uncheck you can add custom watermark font size. See this. I will add this proportion of this page and make it 70. Also, I'll make it black, bold, and color. I'll make it this color and see this. And scroll down. Here you will find this watermark transparency. Here you can transparent your watermark. See this. And select in front of this text or behind text and select all pages and finally select apply. And see this transparent watermark now apply all of these pages. See this. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.